Hello, I am Dr. Poilan, Chief Physician, PVI Hospital, Katamballi, Kannur. Today I am talking about hyperlipidemia. What is hyperlipidemia? The high level of fat or lipids in the blood. What is the problem with this? It can cause heart attack, stroke, and arteriosclerosis. It is not a disease, it is a metabolic disorders. We can see the causes why we get affected with the hyperlipidemia. There are so many causes. We can divide into two, mainly primary and secondary. In primary cause, genetical and familial, and secondary cause, we can control, because other two we can control ourselves. This we can control, mainly diet. Among the diet, more saturated fat if we take, and more sugary food and dried food, more fried items and red meat. These are the main cause of getting high level of cholesterol in our body. Another one is obesity, diabetic mellitus, hypothyroidism, chronic liver and kidney function problems, or liver diseases, kidney disease, and also excess alcohol. Another one is the induced by medicines like steroids, BP tablets, and oral contraceptives. What happening in our body? This LDL and triglyceride get affected in the arterial blood vessel. It gets deposited in the arterial blood vessels. It causes attack, heart attack, stroke, and arteriosclerosis. We see this is a very big problem in the world. If you take US and Germany, 50% people are affected by this problem. And in India, southern India, 25% people are affected. So if you control food and do some activities, we can control this hyperlipidemia. Among the food, we can have some fruits like apple and orange and carrots, broccoli, eggplant. We can include more in our food. Avoid more sugary items, fried items, red meat, maximum avoid, and also do the exercise. If you think through Ayurveda, why it is happening, in Ayurveda we can say it's a durmedas. In Ayurveda, for healthy long life, Ayurveda say we must have proper ahara and vihara. Ahara means food, vihara means exercise. So we must control our food, and also we must do exercise regularly. Such food which cause hyperlipidemia, we must control. And another important thing in Ayurveda is our digestive fire. Our digestive system must be proper and very strong. So anything which cause problem for the digestive system, we must avoid. Mainly heavy food, untimely food, eating food before digesting the food, and taking food which is not good for the body. We must avoid such things. And also we can take dry fruits like almond, walnut, pista, like this. And also soya milk is good to reduce the cholesterol, and soya products also good, and grains, brown rice, millets, wheat, all wheats. These are things we can include in our food and do exercise properly. And Ayurveda also says to reduce the excess fat or durmedas in the body. Buttermilk is very good, and cinnamon, garlic, turmeric, onion, you increase regularly. And maximum at night, avoid the cooked food. Instead of that, you can use more fiber content, vegetables, and also fruits. In this way, we can manage excess fat in the body and we can have a long life. And what Ayurveda says, we follow Ayurveda, we can have the long life and healthy life. Thank you.